Hey everybody, as always I hope you're doing well out there. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set a bearing memory on the compass setting of your Casio Protrek PRG-240 watch. Now this is module 3246, should work for any of the 3246 modules as well as the 3173. So if you've watched my video in the past, I've shown you how you can use the compass feature on this watch. It's a digital compass and there's just a basic functionality. The basic functionality is if you simply press the compass button, it'll basically come up and it'll show you the degrees that you're facing, the direction that you're facing. You can see up here I'm facing east-northeast, and then you've got a north indicator and you've got three other bars that are your directional indicators. North is always going to point north, and then you've got your other ones for south, east, and west. One of the things you can also do though with this watch is you can set what's called a bearing memory. What bearing memory is going to do is it basically is going to store a point of direction that you want to be able to navigate back to. So maybe you're out hiking, you're going towards a water tower or something like that, and you want to lock in that location so that you always know that you're navigating to that same spot, kind of like a sight and go type feature. You can do that with this watch. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the hard thing about showing you this in a video is the compass feature only does the compass for 20 seconds, which is one of the more frustrating things about this watch. So you'll see I'm in the compass still, but all I can see at the bottom is my current time, and then I've got these dots everywhere. It's basically telling me that the compass is not operational. If I want to restart it, I have to press the compass button. When we start our compass, before we saw four different lines. One was always pointing to the north. The thicker one is going to be, let me just show you again. The thicker one is going to be pointing to the north. And then you've got three other lines. You've got your directional pointer, you've got your degrees, and you've got your time. When you're out navigating and you want to set a bearing memory, while your compass is on, all you're going to do is you're going to press the adjust button. That's going to lock in your direction. So let me just do that now. Oops, I didn't do it quick enough. Let me start my compass again. And I'm going to press the adjust button. You'll notice there's a degree up here that blinked. That means that I just set my bearing memory at 79 degrees. Now as I start navigating, you'll notice that there's only two lines. There's the north indicator and there's my bearing pointer. So anytime I'm navigating, that smaller line is always showing me that bearing memory that I locked in at 79 degrees. So if I'm going through the woods or I'm going through wherever, it'll always point me back to that reference spot. You'll always have your north indicator as well. You'll always see your current degrees, your current direction, but you've got that indicator up there that's pointing you back to get you back on track to that bearing spot. Whenever you want to clear your bearing spot while you're in the compass, you can simply press the adjust button and it will clear the bearing, and now I'm just back to my regular compass. Pretty simple. Basically in your compass mode, press adjust to set a bearing location, press adjust to clear the bearing location. If you don't see a degree up here in the upper right corner, you know you don't have a bearing memory set. I hope the video makes sense. As always, appreciate you watching.